We've just acquired this Range Rover Sport 3 litre TDV6 HSE. It's the luxury black edition, so it has a few extras on it. It came in part exchange. It's in absolutely superb condition. Hardly any marks on the bodywork whatsoever. It's got electric tailgate, rear park distance control, rear load cover. It's got tow bar on it as well. See, it's not been knocked about in the back. It's electric tailgate. Lovely contrasting trim. Heated seats to the rear as well. It's got the keyless entry function there. Electric memory seats. Harman Kardon Hi-Fi. Obviously electric windows, mirrors. Automatic headlights. Got heated seats, climate control. Satellite navigation, cruise control, Bluetooth. All your settings for how you want to drive it in 4-wheel drive. You can hire and lower it, obviously. There's a sat nav come up there. Bluetooth, home functions. It's got 2 keys with the car. USB and iPod port there. Fridge in there. Really has been well looked after and got a lot of nice extras on it. It's full service history. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.